Recall that JSX is a syntax extension to JavaScript that is used with React. It allows developers to write HTML as part of their component code, and is frequently used in React as it offers greater flexibility. In this video, you'll learn how JSX is used and how to use its key feature, embedded expressions. First, let's examine a JSX example that will output some text on a web page. The code consists of a paragraph HTML element containing the phrase "Hello World." It is assigned to the constant variable named result. Note that when this JSX code executes, the result variable will contain a React element that can then be inserted into the web page. This is one of the key features of JSX, building React elements from HTML code automatically. Let's explore another important feature of JSX, which is embedded expressions. Embedded expressions allow developers to insert the values of JavaScript variables into the HTML of the resulting React element. Embedded expressions can also embed the output of functions. Let's say you need to output the person's name in a specific format. To do this, you can first create a function named formatName that will return the first name and surname with a space character between them. In your JSX, you can then call this function inside the curly brackets. As with the previous example, the value that the function generates for the JavaScript variable will be output in HTML. Expressions can also be used for HTML attributes. This is useful if you need to insert the address of a person's profile picture. To do this, first you would store the profile picture address in a variable named URL. The image will be displayed using the img element, so you should embed the URL variable into the src attribute. Note that the double quotes are not needed for the attribute value, as JSX will automatically add these. This is just one example of how JSX is an efficient way of outputting HTML elements that contain JavaScript variable content, and you'll encounter more as you progress. In this video, you explored several JSX examples, including one that uses embedded expressions to insert the values of JavaScript variables into HTML within a React element.